Welcome to Infinite Learnopedia channel. This is 5th tutorial on MS Word. I have already shared 4 videos on MS Word. If you haven't watched that videos, I have given link in the description box. Watch those videos to learn about MS Word. And yes, if you are new to my channel, do not forget to hit the red subscribe button. Now let's begin with the video. In this video, I will share how to insert table in MS Word. Let's first understand concept of table. What is a table? Table consists of rows and columns. Let's understand what is a row and what is a column. The one which is horizontal, this way, these are rows. For example, row 1, row 2, row 3, 4, 5 and 6. The one which are horizontal are called as row, and the one which are vertical this way are called columns. For example, column 1, 2 and 3. So a table consists of columns and rows. Let's see another example here. As you can see, in this table, the green indicate a cell. So each box that is square in the table is called as a cell. Table is made up of cells, and rows and column form a table. So the green colored is a cell. That means each square is called a cell of the table. This cell together form a table. As I said before, in the above table, the one which are horizontal, the blue colored, these are row, and the one red colored, vertical are called as columns. Now let's see how many columns and rows are there in this table. Rows 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rows, and let's count columns 1, 2 and 3. 3 columns and 4 rows. So this is another example of a table. Now let's learn how to insert table. So wherever your cursor will be, at that place or position, the table will be inserted. So before inserting a table, make sure your cursor is at proper location. As in my previous videos of MS Word, I have shared videos in which we used Home tab. So we learned about Home tab. We learned many options available in Home tab. We learned about font, about paragraph and others. In the first video, I also gave introduction to Word, where we learned about different tabs, different bars. First is the title bar, which shows document name. So this is the name of my document, document 1. Next are all the tabs, different tabs option. And when you click on a tab, below a ribbon appears. So below this tab is many options, and these all options are situated on a ribbon. So we learned about Home tab. In this tutorial, let's learn about Insert tab. So we will insert table from Insert tab. In Insert tab, use Table option. Before creating a table or inserting a table, check how many rows and columns you want. For example, I want 1, 2, 3 columns and 1, 2, 3, 4 rows. 3 columns and 4 rows, and accordingly you can insert. Tables also help you to organize information into a document. Make sure that your cursor is at proper place. Now let's insert. So I want 3 columns and 4 rows. Let's count columns 1, 2, 3 columns and 4 rows. So this itself becomes 1 row, 2 rows, 3 rows and 4 rows. This will give you a table of 3 columns and 4 rows. Just click to insert. In this way, a table will be inserted. Now let's insert data into the table. To move to the next cell, use the cursor and click once. You can also use your arrow keys. There are 4 arrow keys on the keyboard: left, right, up and down. These are the 4 arrow keys you can use in the table to move up, down, left and right. Now I will use right arrow key to move to the next cell or next column. Insert your data. I want to insert into this cell. Click on this. Type your data or text. Then to move towards right, I am using arrow keys. You can use your arrow keys which are situated on the keyboard, or you can also use your mouse to move the cursor. Let's insert data into the table. In this way, you can insert a table and add data in the table. So follow this simple step to create table in MS Word and insert data into the table. First, very important step is to check first how many number of columns and rows you want to insert. And then accordingly you can insert a table with proper rows and columns. With this, give thumbs up to this video, subscribe to the channel, share with your friends, and let me know your comments and views in the comment box below. Stay tuned for more video on MS Word. And also let me know on which topic of MS Word you want tutorials. I shall definitely make videos on those topics. Thank you for watching this video. Keep learning.